Namaste everyone, I am back again with a chapter from astronomy. Today we will study about asteroids, comets and meteoroids, small heavenly bodies that are found in our solar system. Now let's start from the asteroid part. Asteroids, they are also the member of our solar system. They revolve around the sun as our planet does, made up of rocks and metals, and some of the asteroids, they may contain organic materials. These organic materials are supposed to bring life in Earth. They are same like comets, but they do not have a tail. Comets have tail. They are also known as minor planets or planetoids. Asteroids, they have diameter more than 10 meter, and the diameter may run up to hundreds of kilometers. Generally, objects under 10 meter diameter are called meteoroids, and objects more than 10 meter diameter are called asteroids. The first asteroid was discovered in 1801 and its name was Ceres. Its diameter was around 950 kilometer, and Ceres is now considered as a dwarf planet, and it was given a status of dwarf planet to the Ceres along with Pluto in 2006. Asteroids, they lie in a asteroid belt between the Mars and Jupiter. That means the zone, the area belt that lies between Mars and Jupiter, they contains the small heavenly objects from 10 meter diameter to 950 kilometer diameter. Those objects, they are called asteroids. Now let's move to comets. Comets are small and solar system bodies. They also revolve around the sun. Now what an interesting fact about comet is here. They are made up of dust and ice particles. When they comets, they also revolve around the sun, and they have a very large orbital plane, orbital period. It may be more than 200 years. There is an Halley's comet which can be only seen after 76 years of time. When these comets, they moves or reaches nearby the sun, then they vaporize. Then there is the sublimation. That means that the carbon dioxide and ice present there turns into the vapor. That vapor seems like that of tail, and there is the formation of a tail when comets reaches near to the sun. That's why normally we say comets, they contains head and a tail. Now the third one, meteoroid. Actually meteoroids, they are the object which have diameter, normally diameter less than 10 meter. They may be size from dust to around 10 meter in diameter, and when they enters inside the Earth's surface, they are known as meteor. That means meteoroid, when enters inside the Earth's surface, Earth's atmosphere, actually Earth's atmosphere first, they are termed as meteor. Now some of the large meteors, they even reaches to the surface of the Earth, and they are known as meteorites. What is an interesting fact about meteoroid is that when a meteoroid comes in the contact with atmosphere of the Earth, due to the friction, it burns down, and we see the falling as if stars are falling down. Actually that is a meteoroid coming inside the atmosphere of the Earth, and due to friction they seems fireball. When these fireball, they have larger in diameter, they reaches to the surface of the Earth, and those meteor which reaches to the surface of the Earth without completely burning are termed as meteoroids. Every day there are millions of meteors, but it takes many millions of meteors to make a meteoroids. Meteoroid, small rock particles that have diameter less than 10 meter, Meteoroid when comes in Earth's atmosphere are called meteor when they do not burn completely and reaches to the Earth's surface are called meteorites. And normally we see meteor every day, and they are normally clearly seen in a dark night, and we also call meteor as a falling star, but actually they are not the star falling, they are meteor burning when they enter inside the atmosphere of the Earth due to the friction between meteor and Earth's atmosphere. Today we learned about asteroids, comets and meteoroids. It was a very interesting fact to learn some part from astronomy. I hope you understood, you have a bit clearance about asteroid, what are they, comets, what are they, and what are meteoroid, and the differences between meteoroid and meteor. This much for today. In coming lesson I'll join with some interesting chapters. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.